I'm not going to give information that could be used to deport people.
State and federal authorities have for weeks been in deep planning over how logistics for COVID-19 vaccine distribution will work when the time comes. Further complicating the issue, according to Governor Andrew Cuomo, is a new request. This one from the federal government for a data sharing agreement before the receipt of any vaccines.
They want the name, they want the address, they want the date of birth, they want the ethnicity, they want the race, they want the sex, and then they want the ID number.
The governor says the ID numbers refer to passport, driver's license, and social security numbers. He also adds the agreement states the information would be used by the CDC, HHS, and other federal partners. It's why he's asking federal authorities for clarification on why in a public health crisis this disclosure would even be necessary.
I have been down this road before. This is an administration that has from day one, with the wall, been relentless in their pursuit of undocumented people.
Meanwhile, COVID-19 numbers across the nation soar. Here in New York, the state remains with the third lowest rates across the country. Positivity rates in microcluster zones across the state, 3.5%. The state positivity rate, 1.7%, including those red zones, and a little less than 1.5% without. Faring better than other states, but defiance in some pockets continue. Over the weekend, hundreds of Halloween partygoers were busted in the Bronx and Brooklyn. The vast majority, according to the New York Sheriff's Department, not wearing masks, apparent through these photos released Sunday. And it is precisely what local and state officials are most worried about as the fight against COVID-19 carries on.
Effectively gave a number of summonses, including some of the highest level summonses, the $15,000 summonses. So definitely people are being held accountable.
City health officials warn that now is not the time for any of us to lose focus. In the meantime, a lot of focus on those red zone areas. Will we see any changes this week? The governor's office only saying they will continue to follow metrics and data before making any decision. From Midtown, Narmeen Chaudhry, Pix 11 News.